Hey friends, this video is for anyone who have ever felt left behind. If you have a career gap, maybe due to lack of awareness, financial issues, or just being stuck, mentally, emotionally, or physically, then you are not alone. A lot of people come to me feeling stuck. Maybe they haven't had their internship or certification or even a clear direction yet. They feel lost and overwhelmed, unsure where to begin or how to break into the tech world. They don't know what they want to do next, and even if they do, they don't know how to take that first step. But here's the good news. You can get back on track, and I'm going to help you figure out exactly how. Today I'll walk you through the real struggles people with gaps face and how to mentally beat them. A simple but powerful comeback plan, and how to start building proofs of your skills even before you land a job. This isn't one of those just work hard and you will succeed videos. This is real talk with real steps. Let's go. Let's be honest. Here's what most of us feel during a gap. What do I even write on my resume? Will companies reject me just because I didn't work for months or years? What do I say in interviews? Everyone around me is ahead. I'm too late, right? And worst of all, maybe I'm not meant for this. But here's the truth. Recruiters don't care about gaps as much as they care about what you have done recently. You're not too late. The tech world resets every few months. And yes, you're absolutely meant for this. You just need the right track, not more pressure. Your gap wasn't because you were lazy. Sometimes life forces us to pause, to take care of family, to work odd jobs, or just survive. Maybe you didn't even knew what career to choose back then. That's not your fault. But here's the thing. Awareness is here now. And that's all that matters. It's not about where you were. It's about where you go from here. Here's your bounce back planner. A simple but effective 4-step track to rebuild your career without burning out. Choose one path and ignore the noise. Stop jumping from Java to Python to data science to DevOps. Pick one. If you like logic plus control, go for automation testing like Selenium. If you like visuals plus website, go for front end, HTML, CSS, JS, React. If you're into data, go for SQL plus data analysis. Just one for 3 to 6 months. Next, learn, build and show. Here's how you can plan your weekly cycle. Monday to Wednesday, learn one concept via YouTube, Udemy. Thursday, Fridays, build a mini project or code snippet. Saturday, Sunday, share it on LinkedIn or GitHub. Even simple things like writing a Selenium test, creating a login form, analyzing CSV files in Python can become your proof of learning. Next, resume. Just tell the truth. Your resume should focus on your skills, not your timeline. Here's how to explain your gap. I took time off due to personal responsibilities, but during that time, I actively learned, mention your skills, and build projects to prepare for re-entry. Honest, confident, forward-looking. Companies respect that more than fake experiences. Mock interviews plus practice test. Start small. Practiced on free sites like HackerRank, Test Automation MCQs, or LeetCode. Easy level. Try mock interviews with friends or mentors. Record yourself answering. Tell me about yourself, why the gap, what are you learning right now. Confidence builds through small wins, not waiting for perfection. You're not late, you're just getting started. Listen, you didn't fall behind. You paused, you reset, and now you're starting fresh with purpose. Let go of guilt, let go of comparisons. You're not here to race, you're here to build your lane. Even the best testers, developers, and engineers I know, they didn't start perfect. They just started and didn't stop. Take control of your future today. Remember, the first step is often the hardest, but once you start moving, momentum builds. You have the power to rewrite your story and shape your future. It won't happen overnight, but every small step you take gets you closer to your goal. So today, commit to one focused action, whether it's learning a new concept, writing your first test script, or simply updating your resume. Do it. If this video gave you a boost, hit that like button, subscribe for more real talks, career advices, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's build this community together. Your journey back to tech starts now. Let's make it count.